Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel AV Techline. Today we are going to discuss how to create Google survey form using Google Classroom. So let's begin. So first of all you have to search Google Classroom in Google search bar. After searching the Google Classroom you have to open classroom.google.com. As you are new, the interface will look like this. You have to create class, check out this checkout box. I have to mention here the class name. Basically here the requirement is of teacher's name. Then here's the requirement of section. Then subject, then room. And after you have to click on create. After the creation of class, you have to click on classwork and you have to click on create option again. In this you have to choose material and here you have to write the title of the form, that is Google Online Education Survey. Then after you have to write description, which is optional. I'm going to mention here online education survey helps us improving help us in improving by your feedback. After done it, you have to click on the create option again. Then you have to choose the form. After the opening of Google form, we have to mention the title of the form. Again here you have to write online educational survey. And here you have to write your name. This is compulsion to required, so I have to open required. Then after you have to click on this plus icon to create another question. Then after, here's the requirement of course, which we want to take the input in the form of multiple choice. So we choose the multiple choice from the drop down menu. This time I'm going to use drop down menu. So here I am going to write courses names like BTech, BSc, B.Ed, VWOC. BSc, B.Ed. After running it, you have to again click on this plus to add another question, and this is also compulsory to information to be required. And again you have to choose, this time you are going to choose the multiple choice type questions. How is your experience with online education? Several times it will detect automatically. You can change it by yourself manually also. So this time I required a multiple choice, so I choose multiple choice category. For doing it, I'm going to here to mention good, bad, excellent, very good, very bad. Okay. This is also compulsory information to be required for the survey. Then we are going to add another question also. Here we required any remark for improving if the experience with online education system is bad. Here I'm going to add another question also. This time I'm going to write linear skill type question, like rating type. And now here another question is, how is experience with teacher? आपका टीचर के साथ कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा ये? दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ लीनियर स्केल टाइप क्वेश्चन. This is a scale from 1 to 5. You have to choose one of them. This is compulsory to attempt. Now there is also an option of changing the themes, background images, and uploading background photos. Choose image. I'm going to choose this image. This will we are going to insert soon, and the image will be inserted. Now is also the option of changing the font, background color, theme color. Now I will introduce you with the setting. Here is the option of collect email address, limit to one response, edit after submit if you want to edit after submit. See summary chart, presentation, so progress for shuffle question order. You can also shuffle question order, so link to another. Here you can also write any text for the confirmation message, like after submitting you will display the thank you for taking the survey, and you can save it. After saving it, you have to send to the email, or you can also share it with the students. I'm going to share it with my another email ID to show you live practical. And this message is sent to my email, Gmail. After receiving it, I will fill it as I received. I'm going to open it. For better experience, I will choose fill out in Google Forms. Now here the requirement is of email ID, email address, your name, your course, after typing the name you can choose the course to which you are pursuing. After you have to choose how is your experience with online teaching education. Then after you can also leave remark if your experience with online education system is bad. After writing it, you should switch to the last question. How is your experience with teacher? You can choose any of the scale out of 5. Send me a copy of my response and submit it. You receive the confirmation message, thank you for taking survey. After it, if you want to see the response in Google Classroom database, you should click on classwork. After clicking on classwork, you should click on online education survey. Yes. Then after you should open this Google form. Then you can click on this edit icon. Then after you can see the record in record section. Here you can see all the datas mentioned in the form, like email, your name, your experience, your remark, everything will be shown via text and through graphs. Wherever the graph required is shown through graph. Thank you for watching.